All right, guys, so I'm going to show you how to recreate the slow frame rate in Premiere. This is to kind of mimic an old silent movie. So I have some clips here from handout clips from a Premiere tutorial. I'm going to grab some and put them on my timeline here. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is select them all, move them over to the beginning, and I'm going to mute the tracks. So I'm going to go to File and go to New, and Adjustment Layer is not, select over here. New, Adjustment Layer. Okay, so I'm going to grab this adjustment layer, put it on my video 2, and I'm going to drag it to cover all my sequence here. Then I'm going to go into effects over here. I'm going to look for posterize. I'm going to posterize the time, not style. There's one under time. I'm going to posterize time here. And then from effects controls down over here, that gives me the option to change the frame rate. So I'm going to lower the frame rate down to 11. 11 is kind of around where some of the hokey silent movie look happened. So let's try that. Okay, the front of the first couple of clips aren't really good to, there's no people in medium shots to show you what human movement looks like in it, but we'll do it here. So what that does, it made the frames kind of jumpy. It's only showing 12 frames per second instead of the 24 or 30 that's normal. So you can kind of see the images jump around a little bit. And now we're going to do something else. I couldn't get this to work with adjustment layer, so I'm going to select all 3 clips here. And then I'm going to choose, where is my option here? Speed duration. And I'm going to bump it up to 125%. And the people in my video are moving kind of quickly, so maybe yours, to get the effect, you might need it to be, 150 or thereabouts. But so now they're moving a little bit quicker, which is what the undercranking does, and you have the little jumpiness to the quality. There you go. And let me show you something else. I don't know if you can hear this or not with the voiceover recording.
Here, let me see what I can find. Okay, hit!
So it also makes them talk like chipmunks, which they didn't have to worry about in the silent era, and that's kind of why they stopped doing it once sound was came around. All right, thanks for watching, guys. This is how to change frame rate in Premiere to mimic silent film.